Orleans is at a disadvantage in several ways. We're a coastal community that's losing coastland every day. We're also in a very warm part of the country, and we get lots of rainy weather. And so trees are instrumental in helping us to protect our coastline, reduce the temperature effects in the city, and to help us manage stormwater.
The mission of NOLA Tree Project is to restore the 100,000 trees that New Orleans lost to Hurricane Katrina. After this tree giveaway will be close to 68,000 trees provided to the city of New Orleans through our 3 urban forestry programs.
I'm out here this morning with SageSure and with NOLA Tree Project. We're handing out trees and bushes to New Orleans residents to try and rebuild after Hurricane Ida.
The reason I volunteered for this is because this is a little small way to give back to the community. Plus, I feel like, by one little small thing, which is planting a tree, is going to help us tremendously. I have my son here volunteering too with me because I think this is a great thing to kind of get involved with.
Having an event like this where the citizens get to come to our campus and meet our arborists and talk about all the different species of trees and what they do for our community is a great educational tool for us.
So trees mean a lot to different people. Trees meant hope to them. They meant something new and fresh again after just cleaning up for a year or two. And it just felt like they had a new start in a way.
I've been working with SageSure for about 15 years in insurance and property insurance, rebuilding people's houses. They've been a great partner. I think that this right here is just an extra step, quote unquote, in putting more roots in the ground as we continue to grow, and they're a major player and partner with New Orleans residents and businesses such as myself. I'm looking forward to it growing and growing and growing